Welcome back to Taste the Word with Julia. Today we are making healthy protein bars. No baking, no oven, and ready in just a few minutes. You will need 70 grams of protein powder, 80 grams of almond flour, 60 grams of Greek yogurt, 20 grams of peanut butter, 30 grams of sugar-free maple syrup or normal maple syrup, 25 grams of chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Start by adding the protein powder, almond flour, chocolate chips, chia seeds, and salt to a bowl. Give it a quick mix so everything is evenly combined. Now add the Greek yogurt, peanut butter, and maple syrup. Mix until you get a thick, sticky dough. If it feels too dry, add a tiny splash of yogurt. Protein powders absorb differently. If you enjoy easy recipes around the world, subscribe to Taste the Word with Julia. Let the mixture rest for about 5 minutes. This gives the chia seeds time to soak up moisture and helps the bars hold their shape. Press the dough firmly into a small lint container. Really pack it down. The firmer you press, the cleaner your bars will cut. Pop it in the fridge for at least 2 hours to set. Once it's firm, lift it out and cut it into bars. Store them in the fridge and grab whenever you need a quick snack. That's it. Easy, healthy, homemade protein bars. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Taste the Word with Julia. Watch the next video here.